Warning, dangerous hillside condition, no hiking. Oh, what do you know, we're going this way. Just came from all the way up there. Now going back down. It's my last day in LA. So spent the morning just hiking Runyon Canyon and now it's time for coffee. This is stuff that still needs to get put in there, and then that is stuff that I think I might donate, and then I've already donated one full bag that was about this size. I still have stuff over here to go through, and oh yep, still got half my wardrobe, some shoes. Let me tell you a quick little story about 3 bags that were perfectly packed to the absolute brim, and then I went to my wardrobe and found one little old shirt that I had washed in the laundry the night before and was dry, and I folded the shirt up like 5 times and it was just like this big, and I was like, I'll just put it in the corner of the bag, I'll just like stuff it in, and the zipper broke. So that is why I'm at Marshall's. Oh yeah, I think I found a winner.
Oh my god. I do not know how I am going to carry all this stuff.
Finally, I made it through security. I was waiting in line for close to an hour and it was pretty torturous, and I haven't even started my flight yet. So I just managed to find a little quiet spot in the airport terminal, and I have about 45 minutes until I board my flight. Right now I'm feeling a really strange mixture of sad and tired. There's my plane right there. Oh, you can see my reflection. Fail! Got my juice and my flight's about to board. Hi there.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Maybe I have free seats.
Very happy. Well, maybe.
Okay, I've arrived. Now to find my bags. Here is my 3 pieces of luggage, including this baby, which was the new piece of luggage I had to buy to replace that silly little case that I broke the zipper to, which was really annoying. But now I have a new luggage, and the other 2 and that bottom one, which was overweight and I ended up having to pay extra money for. But I'm here finally. I've arrived. I'm in Sydney, feeling a bit like a hot mess, so tired. I did manage to get a bit of sleep on the flight. Actually, I was lucky because the 3 seats next to me were all free, so I had a whole row all to myself, so I was very lucky. I slept, I watched a couple of movies. I watched Divergent, that science fiction futuristic movie with Shailene Woodley, and that was actually pretty good. And I also watched a foreign movie by a Saudi Arabian filmmaker. She's actually the first female to make a film coming out of Saudi Arabia. It was really interesting. It was called Wadaja or something like that, but really great movie. I'm going to definitely review it for you guys on my channel because it was just really fantastic. I have about an hour to kill while I wait for my ride to come and get me. and it's freezing cold and I miss the warm California sunshine already, and I don't have any Australian dollars on me because I would love to buy a coffee right about now, but that's okay. The Australian. The weather for today is, what is that? Looks like top of 18 degrees Celsius, cloudy with rain.